good times go by too fast.
Okay, Bella's been bugging to get blonde streaks in her hair for what, a year now?
Yeah.
So we're gonna give it a shot. So let's see, this is before. It's kind of like a light brown, eh?
I would say it's a dark blonde, because this is dark blonde.
Yep.
And that's pretty close.
So we're gonna speed this up for you guys and then show the after. Okay, what do you think?
I really like it.
Here, turn this way.
Work it, girl. Work it.
It's got some nice streaks in there.
Yeah. Wait, no.
For a walk under the bridge. Gonna get some fries, check out some boats, and just spend some quality family time together. Should be a good day. It is busy in here. Can't go to the bridge without getting a nice poutine and jumbo hot dog. Let's go.
concludes the day. We had lots of fun. We got to see Bella got her hair dyed finally after a year begging for it. And we got fries under the bridge with Callie for the first time.
Some very good fries under
Yeah.
the bridge.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow for some more fun.
I wish time would tick a little slower. Sometimes it feels like a blink and then it's over. Better soak it